Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Uh, our group project will tell about the hydrochloric acid in the storage tank. Our group consists of four members, which is Haikal, Anik, me, Jauhar, and Danish. Now we move on to the part introduction.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Anik Abdul Rosman. Today I want to present my part for the introduction. Okay, first our plant does make the manufacture of the hydrochloric acid HCl because this is a versatile chemical that has a number of the different industrial use. Also known as a muriatic acid, HCl is used by mason to clean finished brickwork. Hydrochloric acid is also a common ingredient in many reactions and is the preferred acid for the catalyzing organic processes. For information, HCl10 are generally considered to be safe from the fire and explosion hazard. Sometimes there are chances of a contamination with a flammable. Mainly, this depends on the process uses. However, when the hydrochloric gas from the vinyl chloride monomer or VCM process is used to produce HCl acid, one has to be very careful to check the carryover of flammable. To prevent from the incident, the polyethylene HCl acid storage tank is the tank that we will use in our plant. Polyethylene or poly tank are made from the cross-linked polyethylene SLPE, high density polyethylene HDPE, and low density polyethylene LDPE. Chemically resistant SLPE tank are cost effective and the most recommended solution for the hydrochloric acid storage. We use the multiple tank if the quantity of the acid storage exceeds 12,500 gallon. The acid storage tank should have a specific gravity rating of 1.9 polyvinyl chloride or PVC fitting, beaten gasket, and the Hastelloy board. The temperature of its contents should never exceed 100 Fahrenheit. Finally, in this report, we will offer the crucial information that can be used to extend the decision-making, future forecast, marketing strategy, and budget planning. This report also helps with organization, carefully planning, and implementation, formal measurement, auditing, and simple review. Okay, that's all for my part. Thank you.
Hello, I am Ahmad Bejari and I will explain the variables that will be controlled in this report. There are three variables that needs to be controlled to store hydrochloric acid in the storage tank. First of all, pressure. The increase of pressure will also increase the temperature. In order to keep the storage tank from leakage, a recommended pressure of 20 psi must be complied. Secondly, temperature. The storage tank must not exceed 100 degrees Fahrenheit in order to store hydrochloric acid safely. If there is leakage, high temperature of hydrochloric acid will release fume that can cause health problems to humans. Lastly, level measurement. Level measurement is the height of free surface of the liquid from reference. The benefits of level measurement help in the economic quality of hydrochloric acid and also worker safety.
So best instrument for the temperature, non-invasive temperature measurement, a device to measure the temperature of hydrochloric acid within PTFE parts would normally have to be made out of very expensive metals such as gold and platinum. Time-on thermometer delivers the following benefit of the application. Temperature can be easily measured by an external device that is easily and quickly installed on any part system. The installation is quick and easy. Engineers simply have to climb on a two-piece collar. It requires no opening of the part system and no welding. Significantly more inexpensive temperature measurement solution compared to temperature measurement device made out of precious metals such as gold and platinum. For the level measurement, the ultrasonic sensor UMB100 features a hermetically sealed design and is completely resistant to direct contact with chemically aggressive media. With each analog output, the sensor continuously controls the level in the emission bath.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Now we move on to the part DCS and PLC. For the definition, PLC is a solid state control system that monitor the status of device connected as input continuously. For the DCS, DCS is a control system that is specifically designed to a complex, large, and geographically distributed application and in industrial process. Mechanism of DCS and PLC. Based on user-written program, a PLC operation is divided into 4 steps. The input first will scan the state of all input devices connected to the PLC. The user-created program will be executed during the program scan. During the output scan, all output devices are connected to the PLC, are energized and de-energized. Internal diagnostic and communication with external terminal are included in final step. Housekeeping. In a loop, all steps in the PLC operation will be processed continuously. Then for the DCS, the actuator in DCS system are linked to the local output and input module, where the sensor are controlled to receive data and process it, and then send it to the output and input module. This connection precisely monitor the process parameter. A communication bus is then used to collect and transmit the data process and transmit the data to the received data and to the process controlling portion. In the case of smart field appliance, the sense data is immediately transferred to the process regulating section, where it is once again analyzed, assessed, and used to produce a result in accordance with the controller control logic. For the application of DCS and PLC, PLC are widely used in variety of industrial process. For example, PLC are used in glass industry. PLC also used in the paper industry. In paper industry, PLC is used to control machine that produce paper product at high speed. And then PLC is also used in the cement manufacturing industry to maintain the correct quantity and quality of raw materials. Furthermore, PLC are also used in smart grid network to monitor and detect any error. For the DCS, DCS is used in the complex industrial process such as nuclear power plant, petrochemical industry, food processing industry, automobile engineering, sugar refining plants, water treatment plants, and also sewage treatment plants. And then polyethylene hydrochloric acid storage tank system. Our group choose DCS for the hydrochloric acid because it is more suitable controller than the PLC. The reason is due to the complexity of the process. DCS is better to suit the program to the hydrochloric acid storage tank because DCS provide a variety of algorithm, more common application library, pre-tested and predefined function to deal with the complex system. And then we choose DCS because to monitor a plant equipment. DCS will employ a number of independent controller. When one of the controller fail, the plant processes will not be disrupted. As a result, DCS ensure the plant operation continuity through its independent controller located throughout the plant. Furthermore, DCS will reduce the plant's operating cost when the malfunction occur. That's all from us for the PCI project. Thank you.